Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is A.J. and I'm coming to you with another video. And today is Transparent Tuesday, and I thought I'd do something different today. Instead of answering someone else's question that was given to me, I figured I'd just talk about what's going on in my life right now. So, today is June 13th. And actually, today I was supposed to have bottom surgery. I was supposed to have my metoidioplasty. But I found out about a week and a half ago that my insurance denied coverage. So my surgeon's assistant put in an appeal to see if it could get overturned so that they can approve it in time for me to have surgery today. So they put in the appeal. The appeal took about 72 hours, and then my surgeon's assistant called me and said that the person that she spoke to said that coverage would still be denied. They don't cover gender affirming surgeries. But my assistant knew that that was incorrect because this particular health insurance did cover gender affirming surgeries for other patients in the past. So she decided to take it over that person's head, and she called me and said, all right, she didn't like what they were doing. She felt that it was illegal for them not to approve my surgery. So she contacted the medical billing department. She contacted a manager that was above the person that she spoke to at my health insurance. And last Friday, late last Friday, about 4:40, that manager, the manager that was above the person that my surgeon's assistant spoke to prior, called me directly to tell me that they overturned the denial and approved my surgery. So I was really happy about that. So after I got off the phone with her, I contacted my surgeon's assistant and told her they approved it so I can get back on the schedule. So she was like, okay, she was out of the office. She would call me on Monday to make sure to look at the schedule to see if I can get back on for today. So she called me Monday, and unfortunately, one of the surgeons who was on the schedule to be in the surgery with me, her schedule changed. So because they initially canceled my surgery because of the denial, that particular surgeon went on and scheduled someone else. And she's one of the main parts of my surgery. So I'm having a metoidioplasty. I'm also having a vaginectomy, and I'm having a oophorectomy. And the surgeon who's doing the vaginectomy and the oophorectomy, she was the one who could not make it for today. And those two things are vital and of utmost importance for me, and they have to be done before the metoidioplasty. If they're not done and I have the metoidioplasty, they can never be done. So they have to be done. And I was just heartbroken because I wanted it done today. The good news is that I've been rescheduled for a month from now. So I'm actually having my surgery on July 13th. And I'm happy about that. That's 5 days after the anniversary of my birth. I'm good with that. At least I didn't have to wait a few more months. Initially, they were looking at like September or October, so that would have threw everything off for me because in November I'm meeting with another surgeon regarding my phalloplasty. So I'm having metoidioplasty first and then fallo, and I'm meeting with the surgeon for a fallo in November. So that would have thrown everything off. But since they did find me a spot open for surgery July 13th, I'm happy about that. I'm still a little bummed that I'm not having my surgery today because I was so looking forward to it. and psych myself up, and things happen. So I just wanted to share that with you all. If anyone is slated to have surgery, um, when you're scheduling surgery, check and double check. Matter of fact, not even when you're scheduling surgery, when you are choosing health care, ask them specifically, do they cover gender affirming surgeries? Now, as I said, the health insurance that I have, I was told that they did cover it, but for whatever reason, they denied me, which is why there was an appeal set, because prior to my surgery being denied, that health insurance approved surgery for other people. They approved gender affirming surgeries for other people, so that's why my surgeon's assistant said it was some kind of illegal thing going on. She actually said the person that she spoke to initially sounded very transphobic and actually did not care that she was fighting to get my surgery approved. So that's why she went over that person's head, and I'm so glad she did, because it is approved through that health insurance. So I will be having my metoidioplasty on July 13th. So altogether, it's about 4 surgeries in one, maybe 5. So I'm having a oophorectomy, vaginectomy, scrotoplasty, urethral lengthening, in my metoidioplasty. So it's going to be a little difficult, I guess, in the recovery. I hear good things, I hear not so good things in regard to the recovery, but I psyched myself up for it. I prepared for it. So now I'm going to have to go through that whole process of preparation again for next month. But, it's bittersweet. I'll be staying about 2 days in the hospital, and then I'll be able to come home and then, have my family take care of me during the recovery. Actually, have my wife take care of me during the recovery, and then we'll go from there. But that won't be for another month. So I could say I'm really sad. Things happen for a reason. Everything happens for a reason. So I'm just waiting to see what was the reason that I couldn't have my surgery today. It may be something that I need to do for tomorrow or the next day that me having surgery today would not allow me to do. So we'll see. Everything happens for a reason. Everything works out for good. So at least I do have a date for next month. But today was supposed to be my day. But I'll prepare for next month. So I'm going to put everything on hold that I was going to do during my recovery time. I'm going to maybe do a little bit of it and then add on to it for next month. So, and I was really looking forward to not wearing my Packers, not wearing my STPs anymore. I was really looking forward to that. But, gotta hang on to them for one more month, and then I won't need them anymore. So, but it's okay. It's okay. So if anyone else is going through this, just know that it'll be okay. And like I said, before you choose a health care provider or before you choose health insurance, make sure that they cover gender affirming surgeries, because, you never know. I was told this one did, and then they denied me. So you never know. But yeah, and make sure they cover everything, because I found out for the health covers that I have, I was told they cover gender affirming surgeries, but they didn't cover electrolysis, which I wouldn't need for the phalloplasty that I'm having. I'm having an MLD fallow, so I don't need electrolysis for that. But just in case someone else does, just check to make sure that your insurance covers that. Make sure they cover everything, because it's just crazy. But anyway, that's my video. Just wanted to let everyone know, make everyone aware, and do me a favor, like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell, and I'll come back to you with more videos. If you have questions about my transition or transitioning in general, let me know and I will do a video on it. Thank you all so much for tuning in. Until next time, A.J. out.